It's a detailed miniature world bringing history to life, a timeless pastime connecting generations through a shared fascination of trains. One man decided to bring it all together 6 years ago.
The exhibits that we have and the detailing on all these exhibits is second to none.
Detailing that appears to mesmerize everyone that sets their eyes on these trains.
The train layouts have very cool detailing and very nice setups.
This is Bushnell Station, 5 acres home to 3 buildings filled wall to wall with model railroad creativity. Enthusiasts have meticulously duplicated cities, countrysides, and everyday life in miniature scale. The detail is visible in and out of structures.
Most people walk away with the vision that they can't believe how realistic things are.
Craig Hurst created this realistic nonprofit for one reason.
Our goal was to create smiles.
There are 8 popular model train scales worldwide, from teeny tiny trains to complete railroads that run outdoors.
One of the highlights of Bushnell Station is actually located outside. Now, not only will you learn about the different scales of model railroad, you'll also be able to go for a ride.
Guests can experience a half-mile ride around the park. It's what's known as 1/8 scale model.
You straddle it like you would a teeter-totter or a horse. You hear the clickety-clack of the tracks, and it's for all ages. It's not just for kids.
Craig has his own train collection at the museum. He's probably spent over $100,000 with his passion.
This is my personal collection that I started back in the late 80s.
His collection is G-scale, the largest scale used by hobbyists.
The thing that's unique about these is they can be operated inside or outside.
So if you're looking for model railroading inspiration or simply a place to entertain all ages, this railroad station may be for you.